Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a mood board on the VistaCreate application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the plus icon at the bottom of the screen, and in the marketing materials section you can find the mood board option next to the storyboard, and select a template and click to the use this template button. If you want to add another pictures to your project, click to the photo section at the lower left corner of the screen, and here you can search or upload pictures. If you want to change the text, click to the text box. You can delete and change this text. In the font section you can select another font type, and in the style section, for example, you can adjust the size of your text. If you want to add different graphic elements, click to the object section, and here you can search elements, and for example click to the ice cream and you can move and you can edit the size. In the animation section you can find different animation which you can use to your project, and in the video section you can search or upload videos. If you want to add music, go to the music section and select the music and just click to the plus icon and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.